Yo, Sasha, the clients just called. They're threatening to sue if we don't finish the job for free. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? I don't know what to say to them. You can't do the work for free? That'd be crazy. Can you hear me? What are you doing? Sasha! Ah, I guess we're doing the job for free. You're gonna ticket on your car, man. We're also getting water. It's coming down from the ceiling. We gotta, come on. I need your help. Come on.
Sasha, your mom just pulled into the parking lot and somehow the YouTube views are going down? Hello? It's a crisis, dude. Your mom said she needs help with the bags. Should I send the demo guys out there? What are we doing? Jimmy showed up. He said he doesn't have any bricks.
What?
All right, guys, that was a bit of a dramatization, but these things are pretty incredible. They're 25 decibel noise reduction. They're OSHA approved. There's a 22-hour battery life, and they come with a pretty ergonomic charging case. Really nice tactile closing, opening, compact. This is what charges everything, and these things work. PPE only works when you wear it, and I wear these because they're comfortable, they're convenient. If I get a call, it goes right to my Bluetooth. If I'm running outside of work or if I'm on an airplane, these things keep those crying babies kind of at bay. $130, we bought ours on Amazon. I'll drop an affiliate link down below, but if you want to support our channel and like what we're doing, you should check it out. Think about buying these, can't recommend them enough. And if you want to see us using some of our tools and our PPE in action, make sure to follow our main channel, Green Building Network. We'll put a link down low and right up here. See you guys next time, and let us know what tools you want us to review, what you like, what you don't like, or how we should test this. Thanks.